Welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and what you're about to see is how I make my Taco Casserole Lasagna. It's so good, and there's a lot of ingredients, so we're going to run through the ingredients, and then after that we'll show you putting it in the smoker. So enjoy it, check it out, hope you make this, and I think you'll like it. Okay, we're going to add about a tablespoon of the garlic pepper. Okay, I just add my onions and garlic right in the grease from the hamburger, and we just let it cook up. It works out great, and I don't have to add extra oil in the beginning to cook up the onions and garlic. One 10-ounce can of fire-roasted diced tomatoes, drained. These are the rotels, so they have the green chili in them. Just pour it into the meat mixture and stir it up. Just add in 1 package of taco seasoning for the entire 2 pounds. It doesn't overwhelm it. Just add 1 can of sweet corn, drained. You can use frozen corn, works great too. But I had a can, so that's what I'm using. After adding your tortillas, put a layer of refried beans first. There you have it. Let's get this into the smoker. Okay, we are doing this Taco Casserole Lasagna on the Pit Boss grill. We're not looking for the smoke flavor, and that's why I have it covered. I've always said, if it goes in the oven, it goes in the Pit Boss grill. So we got it at 350. We're going to put it in covered for 20 minutes. We're going to come out and uncover it for 10 minutes, and then it'll be good to go. Let's get it in there. All right, we'll be back in 20 minutes. 10 minutes in, but I'm going to rotate this pan just to make sure we get some even cooking. It should cook even, but it's such a big pan. It takes up a lot of space. So. All right, there we go. 10 more minutes. Okay, 20 minutes in. Take off the foil. Looking good. We're gonna go 10 minutes. Ready to serve it. Okay, 30 minutes in. I'll tell you what, this Pit Boss still cruising. 350 on the button. Let's take a look. There you go. Taco Casserole Lasagna. Not everything has to be smoked. If it cooks in the oven or bakes in the oven, it goes in the Pit Boss. You need both hands to get this inside, so see you inside. to rush out and try it. This is so good. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We got more coming.